Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I am showing how to make free fertilizer and plant booster. So friends, this onion peels get from the onion. You can collect your kitchen or vegetable shop free of cost. Onion peels source of nutrient potassium, phosphorus, iron, calcium, manganese, sulphur, zinc, copper, etc. So friends, now I am showing how to make onion peels fertilizer. At first I take 1 liter of clean water with a bowl, but you can use rainwater to get better result. This time we will mix 50 grams of onion peels in this water and stir well with a stick. After mix well, cover the mixing bowl and put it shady place. After 1 day, after 2 days, now open the bowl and you see the water color change. Now I filter the mixture and collect the liquid. And waste part of onion peels to use making compost. This fertilizer you can store for up to 2 months. We can use onion liquid fertilizer directly on the plant. But in summer, it is better to use this liquid fertilizer in the ratio of 1:1. Which means we will use 1 liter of this liquid fertilizer dilute with 1 liter of water. Onion peels liquid fertilizer helps to grow flower and fruits. Also develop overall plant healthy. The fertilizer helps to boost the color of the flowers. This fertilizer use your plants once every 15 days and use the fertilizer early morning or after sunset. You will get better result in this fertilizer if you use it 1 month before flowering and fruiting. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must like, share, subscribe and also comment on this video in this comment section. So friends, I hope everyone will be fine and healthy. Thank you. Happy gardening.